today we are finally getting to the renovation on the side yard over here. I've actually already done the renovation on the other side. I did perennial ryegrass over there just like I did on the putting green. Today we're just going to add some fescue to what I did last year here. Let me show you what I did so far, and then we can talk about the next steps. So one of the things that we did was we put in pop-ups. So I finally got through all of the pop-up drains. This is the other one that I did that's right in the middle, and then there's one more right down there that you can see. I finally finished all the pop-up drains around my house, so we are ready to move on and get some things done. That was really the hold up here before I could get into the fescue. Also, you can see all the white and bleached out grass. That is from the tenacity. I actually did 2 applications on this side, and then my neighbor actually is letting me do his side as well. Because he's never done a renovation on this side, the first thing we're gonna do is the aerator. So this aerator is a little bit smaller than the one I did this past summer, hoping it's not gonna be as much of a bucking bronco like my first aerator, but I guess we'll see. It is what it is. It's just a small little area. It shouldn't take me very long to do. So that's our first step, and then we'll go on from there. All right, so we got all of the aeration done. Got some decent plugs. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to run my mower at a pretty low setting and try and pick up some of these plugs. But more importantly, I'm just trying to get the grass out of the way. I don't really care about the plugs that much. They can just sit where they are. So that's our next step, mow. Lawn shark renovation if it didn't involve putting down some compost. So I don't know if I'll use all this, but I'm gonna try. We'll see. I thought I had way too much compost, but that yard of compost was perfect. So it's getting dark, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and roll this all out and try and get the seed down, and I'll just have to do the peat moss tomorrow. But that was actually a perfect amount of compost to cover this area. Hard to tell with the iPhone, but I have rolled out the whole side here, and now we're gonna put down some fescue. Let me show you what that is. So the fescue I chose, I got from seedsuperstore.com, just like I did with the perennial ryegrass. It is a blend of about 25% of each of the following. You can see there on the label. The important thing to know about this is that number right there, 0% weeds and 0% other crops. So this is why you go with a premium seed. It's because you really do want to make sure that you have the best quality seed to put down that you can. And you want it to be as pure as possible, because the last thing you want to do is add a bunch of problems to your lawn. So we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff down. I don't think that I'm gonna get to the peat moss today. I may have to wake up tomorrow morning early and do that, but let's at least get that seed down today, shall we? All right, well, it's dark, and I don't think I actually got any footage other than maybe the very beginning of me putting out the seed. So it is what it is. Trust me, I put it down, ran back and forth about, I don't know, 4 or 5 times, make sure I had good coverage. I'm gonna roll it out right now, I think. And then tomorrow morning, I'll get up and put down some peat moss, make sure it gets nice and wet, and then we should be good to go. So stay tuned. I've got a little bit of light, so let me try and get a little bit of work done. All right, folks, well, last few steps and then we are done. So last night I stayed up in the dark and I put down the rest of the seed and rolled it out. This morning I've got peat moss that I'm gonna put down, gonna try and do before work. And then the last step will be to put down the starter fertilizer. So I'm gonna try and get this done pretty quickly so we can move on and have the rest of our day. So stand by. So you can see there's a lot of good coverage here with the seed. Overall, I did a pretty good job. So we just wanna cover it up and keep the birds off it and make sure we retain some moisture, and we should be good to go. All right, well, I think I got a little ambitious on the number of bags I was gonna need of peat moss, because this is 1 bag and I got pretty good coverage, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Next step is I'm gonna do a little bit of fertilization. Let me show you what I've got. If y'all recall, I used this for the putting green down below when I put down the perennial ryegrass down there. It's a 3-18-18 from Simple Lawn Solutions. It's just a good mix for a starter fertilizer. So I'm gonna spray that here and over on the other side where I did the perennial ryegrass for the side lawn over there already that I didn't video, but trust me, it was done. So let's get to that, and then I think we're pretty much at the end of this project. All right, folks, well, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. We finally finished this side project. It's taken me several weeks to actually get to it. I should have been doing this about 3 weeks ago, but you know, life just takes you where it takes you. So today we finished up what we started yesterday, which was the seed, compost, peat moss, and then fertilization, starter fertilizer for this area. We'll come back and take a look at the progress on this on a future video. You know, we're in fall, things are starting to slow down a little bit, so we're gonna have other projects that we'll be doing. I pretty much stay pretty busy, you guys know that, and we'll have stuff going on. It just may not be a lot of mowing other than on these project areas. So anyway, really appreciate everybody's support. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and if you're a subscriber, I really appreciate all the support that you guys give me. If you're not subscribed, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great week, everybody. See you.